sure everyone's running on, job done. Multi. That one out. Got there a minute. Thank you. Alright, just waiting for all this to start up. Sure I can see everyone. Right. There we go. Right. So today is the normal Saturday stream we've been doing. Each and every Saturday we do a stream where people can ask questions. I'll answer questions. We do a little bit of digital. Anyone who wants to get into the hobby, we can give them information for, things like that. And we just do a little bit of digital work as we're doing it. Andy, how you doing, mate? I'm glad you come on because or someone come on a YouTube one, because then I can see if the chat's working properly. So I don't need that one that comes up on here. Dan, you alright, mate? How you doing? No, we don't want that. Get over here. What's going on here? Don't want that. We don't want to play sea buggers with that. That there, like that. No radio today. Busy gardening. I should be. My front garden needs a big old cut. I say need a front garden. I've got more of a side patch of a long side patch of stinging nettles. That's what I've got. Doesn't seem to be much on 40. 40 doesn't seem to be very busy compared to normal. What does 20 look like? 20 meters. I think we're going to have to tune up. Get all the wires out of the way and tune up. J. 0.5, so 5. Oh, so somewhere around there. Definitely not that one. Better. Alright, it's 20 minutes. Let's see. 6 meter has been opened up recently. Oh, nice. I don't think I can tune on 6 on this actually. If I can, it's not going to be very good. No, I can't tune on 6. Wonder if we can do an internal tune. Oh. 30. What I can do is up to 30. So, yeah, so, well, we do a little bit of that. That can come down there. The multi-stream chat, for some reason, isn't working. Right, let's have a little go, shall we? See who we're going to get. 20 metres is a lot better. 20 metres is definitely a lot better. She's good. That one. Ah, bet Twitch isn't very good, is it? Oh wow, straight away. Okay. Weren't expecting that straight away. Oh, where are we? Germany. That's for Germany. And LA too. Where's LA? Norway. Andrew just popped in to say hi. No, yeah, not a problem, man. Not a problem. As you can see on the right hand side here, my meter's working, my dial, my S dial, which is cool. No, we don't need to do you. Trying to sort out some stuff for hold on a minute, I'm doing the one here. Hold on. There we go. That should be a bit better now. That was a bit James, thank you for sharing the live. That was a bit high on the radio audio side. You want to do that. Especially for digital stuff, you don't want it all screaming in your ear, do you? Unfortunately, I've got the door open now because it's just way too hot in here. Give him that one and then we'll just go on to the next. Yeah, you don't want it screaming in your ear, do you? So it's horrible when it's screaming in your ear. I don't even have it. I have it on down low, really low, when I'm in here. Because for digital stuff, you don't really need. Thank you. Don't really need to know the sounds coming out. As long as the audio's coming out of the radio, it's all good. Should come back 73 of. hear me. Can't. What can't you hear? From the radio or? Oh, you can hear me now. Okay. Thank you for the follow. What was I saying? Oh yeah, I've been sorting some stuff out because next Sunday I will most probably do a live on the Saturday, but next Sunday Mike 6 X-ray Delta November. Hi, how you doing? Next Sunday we've got what's called Stevenage Day down where I live. It's a big event. You know, there's lots of things to do down there. You know, rides, bouncy castles for the kids, things like that. And my club is going down there, and we're going to do an event down there. So you know, we'll stick on some radios. We'll actually be doing a little bit of operating, obviously, to showcase amateur radio and you know what it's all about. So we're going to be doing Stevenage Day. So we've been you know preparing for that. Should we go for this one as well now? So yeah, I've been doing a lot of stuff to prepare for that. I think we're going to be using. Well, we need to run a generator because just go back to this one. And now we're going to need to run a generator. So we can, when we're doing the you know, demonstration stuff, we can have computer and such. Who did I log? Fox, which is good. And then Germany's next to log. That one. There we go. Should be able to log in now. So yeah, we're doing a lot of preparation for that. Which I'll most probably be taking. You see right there, there's a computer there. It's an all-in-one. So I've just been setting that up for login softwares, digital softwares, things like that. Just so we can do some sort of thank you. Just so we can do demonstrations and whatnot and show the public. But yeah, I haven't really been doing much radio. This is the first time I've actually got on back on the radio for the week since the last contest. I've been in here for other reasons, testing things out, doing the computer, but it gets really hot in here, which is the reason why I've got the door open. So Delta 1, Delta X-rays on again. They're always on. I can never get them. that. Put that there like that. There we go. Russia. Whereabouts? Why is it not showing me on there? Is it because of... See, look at that. There's a lot on. Asiatic, Russia's on. A lot of Europe. A lot of Europe on. Have a look, shall we? Are we not? Are we not? Have we lost you? I think we've lost him. Just go on to the next one, I think. Can I? Maybe that one there. Group. Why can't I? Okay. Receive, receive, receive. Then for some reason. Ah, there we go. Thank you. There we go. I was wondering why it wasn't trying to log. But that's better. That's much better. Right. I need to go here and there. We then need to go to there and get share link. Right, and that. Yes. Then can I do that one? That's the one. Not that. G. Okay. That one. Russia. Go. That. Go down there. That can come off there like that. That can go down. There we go. Scottish. Thank you. Is the band's busy? 40 didn't seem very busy at all. 20 is a little bit more busier than 40. Apparently, I haven't checked, but it says 10 meters is it has a little bit of activity on it as well. But I haven't actually checked 10 meters. Yeah. All need to check. It's been flat here. Yeah, I mean, since it's flatter than normal here. Last week, I think it was last week, it was really busy on 40 meters. It was end to end on the waterfall. Any Tropo? Well, rector comment. No, okay, that's nothing. It's all good. Do you use 11 meters? I do have an 11-meter radio. I haven't got it hooked up. My radio, the Kenwood, does do 11 meters. I need to stick up my vertical because I want a separate vertical for basically 10 and 11. I've got two verticals. One is the fiberglass white. Oh, I've forgotten what they called it. Little round base with like a bit of metal sticking out. It looks like a flag at the base. I can't remember what it is now. It's not a stereo. It's not a vector. Oh, I can't think of what it is. Game Master. White fiberglass. 2 sections, I think it is. 3 sections. 3 sections. Germany. Go to link. VHF. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. What's the link? GP7 RDG. That's a repeater, isn't it? I use that for 2 meters. Oh, right, okay. That's pretty cool, that is. I've got a stereo. That's a stereo, isn't it? The 827. Up plus a wire. I'll put up a cobweb soon. I've taken down my cobweb. I have got a cobweb. I've taken my cobweb down because it's the one that's got the speaker wire on it, and I've taken it down. Yeah, there's been a lot of dropout. Oh, on YouTube, Andy said apparently there's been a lot of dropout. Yeah, I've taken down FT8 on 2 meters. Oh, I should try that at some point. I do need to get myself a 2 meter aerial. What do you do FT8 on? Do you do it on a vertical, or do you do it on a like a small beam? I need to get my verticals up for 10 and 11. But I certainly want to monitor 11 because it will show. Oh, well, an X50. Yeah, okay, yeah. It will certainly show when skip's coming in. And so, some 11 meter stuff, it'd be pretty cool to do. I mean, I started off on 11 meters, so yeah, I need to get my verticals up. I've got a vertical that I can use definitely for 11 and 10. I've got a Hustler 6-band vertical. Now at the moment it's on the floor, literally right behind me, and it causes a lot of trouble coming into the shack. I haven't got it in the middle of the garden. Ideally, I think I should get it in the middle of the garden. But I was thinking about having a little experiment to see what it is like in the air, and maybe lead like a wire down to my grounding, my earth wires, my grounding wires, because I use like the grounding system for the NFED. It seems to work a lot better with that. So yeah, I need to get some verticals up. I need to get some wall screws, some proper ones. Is it Hilti bolts? I think they're called Hilti bolts. They basically you drill a hole, you put it in, and as you tighten it up, it expands inside. So I need to get some of them and put the T and K brackets up. Get the vertical up. Yeah. I've got a Hustler 6-band vertical, and then I've got a. Oh, you know what? Hold on. Oh, I can't get it. It's out of the way. It's been out for a very long time, and everyone used to use it. Very good antenna. You know, it's going to bug me, so I'm going to have to find it online. Nice. Right. It's not one of them. There's not one of them. uh, Antarctic Research Centre. Where's that? Oh, I'm having to guess Antarctic, but whereabouts? Have a look. That's got to be quite some distance, that has. What was that, voice or FT8? Not that. It's definitely not that. I'm sure they made different versions of it. European Russia. Oh, nice. Whisper. I think my best contact that I've ever had would be South Korea SSB. It was one of the big contests. Obviously, he was doing all the work. I certainly wasn't getting there on my NFED half-wave. I think he was doing all the work. Why is it you try and find something online, but you can never find what you're wanting to find? When you don't want to find something, or you're not interested in something, it's always jumping out at you. Thailand Tom, thank you for the follow. Give him one more chance and then we'll carry on. Oh, there we go. There we go. Thank you. Right. Cannot think of what that area is. It's there, but I can't. I don't even think I can do 50 meters on the loop either, can I? I think that's pretty sure that's. What's this one for? Oh, 4 meters. That's for a 4 meter. That's a 4 meter halo. But that's got to go. Think of it. Pretty sure it's a Serio. It's going to be a kick in the teeth once I remember what it is. A lot of people use them for 20 meters because they can go. They're not brilliant. They're not efficient, but they can go down to 20 meters. Little white, it's not a little white stick. It's 3 sections. I think it's about 21 feet ish, maybe 18 feet. I missed that one. We'll go on the next one. So I hope everyone's enjoying the old sun. Got the nice sun out again. Music student and I, thank you for the follow. Ah, there we go. There we go. Thank you. And we should be logging this. We'll just check. This should be sending through 70 watt to the login. That was the last one. Straight across. Nice. And if we go to log, he says, yeah, sorry, there we are. I wonder where that was then. Map. Send these all back up. I normally do pretty much all the time. Oh, the 827 can do 40, can it? I missed that comment. Yeah, I missed that comment. Oh, nice. I didn't know it could do 40. I know the one that I've got here, the little 5-glass one that I've got here. It can do 20 with an ATU. It's not brilliant, but it can do 20. But I mainly want it for 10, 11. It's pretty good for 10 and 11. Antron 99. That was it. Oh, it took me ages to get that. Aaron Mobile, thank you for the like. Thank you for the follow. Antron 99. God dear. I couldn't even think what it was. So you've got the Antron out there. And then the Hustler right behind me that ideally I need to move to like maybe the middle of the garden. Kids are all grown up. You know, they're all teenagers now, so they don't use the garden. I use I use the Garden for the aerials. Yeah, kids don't use the garden anymore, and it would be good for me to get the Hustler out in the open, because at the moment it's right outside the back of the shack, so I can't get any earthing, grounding, towards like this way, towards the north. Yeah, towards north-ish way. Charlie, I'm thinking of getting an SDR. What thoughts on it compared to a dedicated scanner? I would most probably go for an SDR. If anything, I would do an SDR play, because they really are good. And I've got a scanner. I've got a little realistic, 40, 40 odd year old scanner. I don't have it connected. I haven't got the scanner aerial up. But an SDR play would be a lot better. You could have it on, obviously, on the PC. It is more versatile because you can use it, especially in this software here. An SDR play can be integrated with this like really well. That one, that, Russia. So I personally would go for an SDR play, but there are other alternatives to the SDR type bits. There was another one. Who did it? I can't remember who did it. Thank you. SDR receiver. The RTL ones I don't think are any good, especially for HF, VHF. Let's go to Lynchy, have a look. So Flex do one, AMSAT. Oh, there are quite a few SDRs. Hack RF1, that's one I know. SDR Play, Flex. I think Flex is most probably the transistors. I don't know what I just said there. But those are really expensive. They're the transceivers rather than just receivers. And thank you for the follow. Yeah, Flex ones are really expensive. Oh, they are really nice though. A Flex AU 520M Aurora. Oh, these are the new ones, isn't they? The Auroras. I see a demonstration of one of these. They were like 500 watt. Oh wow, 500 watt out the back of the radio. Now that's something. That's nice. Look at that. That's nice. Simple, like on the button side of it. It's most probably all intents of the menus is intense. Where's the back end? The back end. Look at the back end. Thank you. So you've got HDMI. Look at that. Now that's brilliant. So a lot of radios, I don't know why, still do like do D-sub. I think it's D-sub. When we should, it was most probably be more beneficial, more cheaper. No, it wouldn't actually. It wouldn't be cheaper. But for today's stuff, you know, I mean, technically we don't need for amateur radio HDMI, but for future proofing and better connectivity in the future, HDMI is a lot better. That's better. So I can't get that in. So what's that? USBs in there. Oh, that's nice. That is. That is nice. I've got a nifty little gadget I've got to put on yet, and I haven't put on. Thank you, where are we? Austria. Over here. Because of all my audio equipment start down here. I've got outboard, sound card. I've got an outboard limiter, compressor, gate, noise gate, all down here next to where my server is. And when I've got the headphones on, it has to drag all the way across. So I need to put on this clip thing, and then I can have that sat down, you know, here right by the screen, and then I've only just got to do this short distance here, and it'd be a lot better than dragging my wire across the shack. But I haven't put that on yet. I need to put it on. Italy, both Italy. You're next. Thank you. So yeah, I'm going to be also sorting out the shack as well, because that, as you can see right there, there's a computer there. And I'm going to use, I want to use that, excuse me, ideally I want to use it for the radio. So that would be the radio computer, and then this one here would be to stream and my normal gaming and work computer. But also that one I'm hopefully gonna be taking to Stevenage Day on next Sunday. So yeah, I've just got to finish setting that up, put on a load of programs for it. Oh, someone's on GB7SV. Oh, actually. How do we do we can do a scan on this, can't we? Anyone know how you do a scan on the old Bofang UV5 RTP, like a scan of all the things. Oh, there, hold on. What do we do? How do we do that? Scan. Do we hold it down? Ah, there we go. We hold it down. Ah, there we go. Look at that. Hi, Stu. How you doing, mate? Good, good, good. There's just lots on, but I'm not bothered to do it. Milo! Milo! See if the dog comes in. Gonna bring him here. Gonna bring him here. So you can see the dog. Yeah, if you'll be able to see him because of where the camera is. Oh. Milo! What's this? Oh, up, up. What's this? What's this? Come here. Come here. What's this? He's not doing it. He's running away. He's not doing it. He's not having fun. Not right. Good, good. Asiatic Russia. Okay. Nice long one. There we go. What is that? 2,460 miles. Nice. Ah, good. He did. He got it. Apart from me needing to get my arse out and put up my vertical, I don't think I haven't really done much else. Oh, I don't know whether that come through or not. Yeah, I haven't really done much else. I've been busy with repairing computers. That is about it. Oh, it's supposed to be the other one. Ah, there we go. Look at that. Switzerland. Hotel Alpha 3, November, Romeo. Hi, how you doing? Again, I don't know who is gonna obviously is gonna know or who is close to me. But anyone, I said on the next Sunday, I mean next Saturday I'll do live as normal, and then Sunday the club's got. I'll keep plugging it. The club's got an event down in Stevenage Day, down where I live. If you're local, come down. If you're not local, then look out for us on 20 meters, if I remember rightly. It'll be GX3 SAD. That'll be the call sign that they'll be using. I will be on myself as well at some point. So yeah, check out, keep an eye out for us. Certainly 20 meters, because I know they've got a delta loop for 20 meters. They're going to try out. We're going to be down there from 12:30, I think it is. 12:30 till 5:30, I think it is. Always 12 till 5:30. Ah, hello. Hello. Come in. He's full. He's full. He's full. Drop. No, I can't get it to me. Get it. Get it. Get it and drop. No, not there. I can't get it there. That. That. That's it. What's this? What's this? What's this? Yeah, damn. Yeah, certainly look out for us on 20 meters, because we'll be down there, you know, obviously doing demonstrations and such. I'm hoping to be able to set up some sort of digital part of it as well, so we may be digital as well, hopefully. But we've also got an open day in October. 4th of October rings a bell, if I remember rightly. We've got an open day, so anyone can come down if you're local. Again, we'll have lots of stations running, so we'll be on air again then. Time to get my club out there and known, because we do a lot of stuff, and they never really get mentioned. So I want to get our name out there. Guy 11 TYT. I don't even know if you're on. I've forgotten. I didn't even see that. I'm sorry. Can you get a 5RV around the top of the fence? You could, but it may not. It may not be. Have you lost your ball? Oh, you have. Well, you can, but it's most probably not going to be. It's most probably not going to be efficient. Your best bet would be a homemade dipole, fixed to coax. A 5RV, you need it uses part of the feed as the as the antenna. Sky, I don't even know if you're still on it. Let me know if you are, and I'll explain what I'm doing. I was too busy focusing on on the dog. That'd teach me a lesson, wouldn't it? Well, I think 20 seems to have died down. Certainly for me, anyway. Shall we have a look? uh, yeah, so we'll have a little look on 40. Has that turned back? 20 according to this. It says there's loads on 20, but there's not. For me, anyway. $20 seems a bit dead for me as well. NL 7.50. There's a couple on. Oh, there's RF getting into the other computer. That I'm basically a one on 10 meters. 1.1, 1.2, there we go. The other computer didn't like it. I don't know what this one did. The other ones don't like that. So there's a couple on 10, not much on 10 for me. I will have a go. Just to have a little go on 10. I've not been able to do 10 much because every time I was on it, you know, the computers and that wouldn't like it. Tim on the radio, thank you for the follow. Yeah, 10 meters for the computers wasn't very good. That's why I want to get a 10 meter vertical up, and then move my 6-band vertical maybe to the middle of the garden. Try and get proper grounding on it. I need to do something anyway because the dog's ripping up all of my earthing, my ground wire. I do like done what like Callum said to do. You know, lay it all down, stick these little sticks in the ground to hold it down, and eventually the grass will grow over the top of it. So I did that, and it did. Grew over the top. And then I done a mistake of getting a boxer puppy, and he decides he wants to one by one dig some holes and rip up my my grounding wire. Latvia. Oh, nice. I've only had a couple of Latvias. Yes, thank you very much. Yeah. So I have got to get back out there at some point, dig a new hole, stick in the middle, and stick my vertical in the middle, and then redo the grounding wire. Which I think I may have to go out and get some new cable. I'm most probably not going to skimp out this time and do some like DX10 stuff that Callum's got. I've done it on the cheap. I had a load of cheap wire here, and I use that. What else we got? I know I got a contest on Monday. That is the RSGB data contest. So that's one I do with PSK 63, where I use M0KNM and FL Digi. So we've got a contest on Monday that I'll be doing. I've got a busy week as well, so yeah, I'll be doing the contest Monday. What else we got? Oh yeah, I'm going to see Jason Manford. That'll be good. And then we got your Stevens Day, National Field Day. CW is on Saturday and Sunday as well. I don't know CW yet, but at some point we will be learning it. Do some CW. And I think he has fallen off. Hello. Got it. What's your matter? Don't put it on the computer. Slobber is all on a computer. Leave him to it. Hopefully doesn't dig up my garden. What's the matter? What's the matter? Where's your ball? Why did he not do that one? Didn't pick up on that one. Why did he not pick up on it? My noise level on 10 is really good. Well, say really good. It's not. Well, let's see if we can get. Yeah, showing 6 meters is showing something. I wonder if we can bypass it, the tuner, and tune 6 with the internal tuner. Thank you. bypass that. There's 2 on 6 meters. Why is there 2 on 6 meters? Yeah, I can't. I can't do that. Bypass. Hey, get your nose out of there. Where's your ball? Hey. It'll be at 40. That one there. Thank you for the follow. Amicable Radio, I think it is. Amicable Radio. Wait, do you mind? Germany, nice. Hello, Dan. Thank you. What I'm gonna do is gonna have a little look at the where are we facing? Where are we facing? I think we're facing east-west. So stop there. We'll go to 20 and 10 or 2. Change over the stuff. There we go. Right. Let's have a little go, shall we? Right, so we should be tuned. See, I've switched over now to the mag loop, and so many more come up. From this was the end fed, and this here is the mag loop. Now, if we do the mag loop and go, excuse me, here, and the next one, we should be able to throw up. There we go. So much more now from the mag loop being on. Saudi Arabia. Just need to keep, excuse me, need to keep an eye on that, because even though I leave it there, sometimes the SWR creeps up. Excuse me. Saved. Jordan, where's Jordan? Have a look. Excuse me, I've got sand stuck in my throat. Oh, down by Cairo, Syria, Israel, Yemen. Yemen. Ukraine. Excuse me. God dear, what's going on there? What I'm going to do is we're going to do that. And that way, you should be good. We're down in that one, so let's just retune on that one. Like that. There we go. That's better. Any station? Let's have a look. I think we're going east-west, I think. Saudi's down here. We're going here. Austria. Asiatic Russia. Nice. -14 to Asiatic Russia. Good afternoon from 2E0FKB near Sheffield. Oh, nice. Hi, how you doing? Nice. Oh, you would, wouldn't you? It went away. Right, let's try that one again, shall we? Oh, good, good, good. You're not doing any radio today? You enjoying the sun? How far was that? 2,444 miles. I don't think you can hear me. There we go. There we go. The buzzer's still going. Yeah, buzzers. Yeah, it's a pain in the arse, isn't it? It's like an intermittent fault. Keeps coming and going. Got to go, friend. Just around. No problem, mate. See you. 73s, mate. Just relaxing. Good. Oh, China's on. Yeah. I don't want to run your toes over. I mean, oh, where are we? Turn that up. Yes, stations are listening to it. They are replying. Would you like me to explain what happens? Get it off the computer, you. We are going to have to that. Do that. That one's not going to log, is he? Ah, no, he did. He got it. He got it. Good, good, good. China's on. Where's China? Where did China go? Poland. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 stations on. Well, there's more than 14, but thank you. Poland, 843 miles. Excuse me. Good, the SWR is holding up. DJ7XY, Germany. And then there's another Germany, which is DF3. Go down. -1, nice. But the mag loop is definitely better for picking up these type of signals. just quite hard to get it tuned because it's quite a high Q on it. Pretty good for digital stuff. I'm not actually sure how much power digitally it can handle. I'm pretty sure it takes 100 watt normal SSB. I don't know what it will take, like CW digital like that. We did have somewhere. I only cleaned my mouse the other day, and the bottom of the mouse is horrible. Please also, before I forget, like and follow on the Facebook page, M0KNM Amateur Radio. I need to get to 100 followers, so then I can start live streaming from there. Gaz, thank you for the follow. So yeah, like the Facebook page. Are you down south compared to where? I am south, southeast, I think it is, East Anglia, Hertfordshire. Basingstoke. Yes, I am. Basingstoke. Whiskey Delta 3, Italy Tango. Jim, thank you for the follow. Yeah, as I'm saying, go for the Facebook page, M0KNM Amateur Radio. I need to get to 100 followers to be able to do live streaming straight from Facebook or straight to Facebook. Also on there, obviously, videos and such like, updates that I'll be doing from there as well. Hertfordshire, so Bishop Stortford. Yes, Bishop Stortford is north east from me, I think it is. Could I hear you with my 125 XLT? I've never. If it does it do upper and lower sideband? Covers 25 to 88. No, you wouldn't. No. No, because it only does 25 to 88 megahertz, whereas I'm sat at 14 megahertz. JJ, I have an FT 2000, thinking of doing the IF mod. Oh, is that the mod for to get the waterfall? I've been thinking about doing something like that. Yeah, I've been thinking about doing that. I mean, I've got the TS2000. I have been thinking about doing it, but I'm not too sure whether, like, if I had a spare radio, I would certainly do it, just in case I did anything. But because this is my only radio, then at the moment I'm not prepared to do anything yet. But it is something that I do want to do. They're pretty good little boards. You can get little boards for them. Can't remember where. When I do it, I'll let you know. Yeah. Yeah, do let me know. I'm pretty sure you can get like little boards. Um, Italian bloke, I think, that does it. The little board. Oh, I'm gonna try him. See if we get over to him. Yeah, I'm pretty sure they're little boards. Um, oh, I've yet got to do. There's also another mod you can do with the TX2000 is the 4 kHz TX. I think it's 4 kHz TX because at the moment it only goes 3 kHz TX. I think it is. Buffer boards, yeah. There were little boards that you had to tap into certain bits of the IF. It's gonna on the TS 2000. Oh, where are they? Panel adapter waterfall. Panel adapter on here. Ah, there we go. iFace. They have a little board, iFace. It's an IO thing. I will follow you, YouTube. Thank you. He can't hear me. 1, 2, 3. It's the fourth time. He's not going to hear me. All good. It's all good. Yeah, iFace. They do iFace version 2. Version 2. It's an IO, like a little board. It gives you instructions on what to do, how to do things. Where are we? So you can have the iFace 2 or the iFace 2 Plus connectors, which is €67. Yeah, there was I remember there was also another way you could do it, but obviously they're going to be hard to come by now because of MFJ have gone out of business. You could also use it was a little box. Can't remember what the box was called. Not bad. I will do it myself. Well, build it all yourself, or just do the that's a dog. Do it yourself, or like build it yourself, or like get one of these boards and then stick it in. Don't stick it on a computer. Italy. So the SWR has gone up a little bit. Hello. Coming down. Okay. There is an IF tap on the radio that you can intercept and bring it out of the back of the radio. Yeah, I thought it was. Thank you. Yeah, I definitely want a newer radio. I have inquired about getting rid of this one, but at the moment I don't have the money to add to it. It's Radio World will give me the most for it. I tried buying Lynch, they will only give me 400. I've got it all boxed up and fully boxed. Yeah, I've got all the boxes now for it, but like original mic and whatnot, and it's in very good condition. There's a couple of marks on it, but very little. They're just like wear and tear marks. Not worth it. Old reliable. Yeah, this has been really reliable, and it will take. I would rather not get rid of it. But if it was to fund, you know, another radio, then I may have to. But ideally, I want. Well, I would love a 7610, but I don't have the 7610 money. But yeah, I mean, they Radio Well would give me 500. Martin Lynch would only give me 400. So I thought, okay, well we'll just save up a bit of penny, save another 500 or so quid, and then exchange it in, I suppose, and get something a bit more up to date. But yeah, I'd rather not get rid of her because she does really well, especially on digital modes. Throughout this last hour and 45, she's been sat doing 70 watt continuously. I've done FT4 contests for 2 hours and sat at 70 watt all the time, and she'll go for it all day. Not once turned off or anything. I have done the modification for the fan where you turn it on and it will slowly run all the time. I keep an eye on that just in case the fan dies and I don't know about it. So it runs all the time, and then when it gets hotter, it spins up further. No, I stuck in a brushless one. Let's have to try you again, shall we? I stuck in a different fan because of that reason, because they are noisy. The original ones are noisy. I put in a brushless fan. And that was for 2 years ago now, at least. So I think I need to make sure that it's still clean. Why is there loads and loads on but no one answering? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 21. I can hear 21 on on the decodes yet. Not one single one's answering. Turkey's on. Can we move the rotator around a bit? Hello? Move it around there. Let's see what that did. Oh. Goddamn dog. Spain. Here. It's not liking that, is it? So we go down to 30 watt. Here we go. Was a little off then. How long I was off for? Frequency lock. There we go. 30 watt. Gone down to 30 watt. I'm not sure if the loop likes 70 watt. It may not like it. I've got thought I had somewhere around here. The I think we're coming down this way now. There. I'll shut the door because it's way too hot in here. Wait. Right, what? Saudi Arabia. UAE. We're coming down this way now, aren't we? See, everyone's on there, but no one's talking. I say that. We'll go on the other one. On the other one, let's go here. And China's on. Oh, it's gone up again. Oh, come on, girl. There we go. So we're there on that one. Mag loops very difficult to keep there. Not sure whether that's just the. Yeah, so now we're there. Okay. The area. Last QSO on the 6th of April. FT4. Oh, was that? That must have been. Might have been the FT4 contest. Someone's not happy. Yeah. Thank you. Iceland. Good one. No, he's not going to get me because he was on that last one, but we'll see if he comes up. There we go, he's come up. There we go, Iceland. I don't think I've had an Iceland before. Certainly not spoken to him before. Yeah, so I think our path at the moment is this way. That's the reason why we can hear Spain a little bit. Someone beat me. Italy, this lot here. So yeah, I think our path is southeast, northwest. That's our path at the moment. I've turned it. I'm not sure if he can get. Oh no, he said 73, so he should be coming back soon. Nope, okay. Spending my time doing the dog rather than anything else. Right. What I'm going to do is going to hold this in. Oh, I missed that then. Germany. Right, I think I'm gonna finish this one. This one comes back. Or these two. Always get all for one, right, get none, all for one, get two. Ah, there we go. And then we'll do the Spain. Should 70 phrase. He did, good, good. There we go. Nice. First time spoken. Nope. You can come back. One more time and then we'll quit on it. Down here. There is a lot on 20. But it's pretty good. Nope. Nope, that's it. Right. Oh. It is 5 to 6, so I'm going to go and have some dinner. Come back on Monday. We got digital contest on Monday. It's a different type of digital contest. I like these because it's PSK 63 and RTTY. Sometimes I do the RTTY one. I mainly do the PSK 63. Do quite well with that. So yeah, come back on Monday night for that. And then I will obviously be doing my normal Saturday. And then Sunday will be Stephen's Day. If you're local, come down. If you're not, keep an eye out on 20 meters. We'll be doing some radio on 20 meters, and it will be GX3 SAD. So keep an eye out for the rest of that. I will most probably be doing some operating myself throughout that day as well, because we're down there from 12 to 3:30. I haven't got it. Sorry, 12 till 5:30. Sorry. So yeah, we'll be doing a long day for that. Apart from that, I don't think there's anything else. So thank you for everyone watching. Thank you, Jay, for the YouTube and such. Thank you for everyone in the comments. Andy, 73's to Andy, Stu. If Stu's still watching, thank you for everyone in the comments. Like I said, please go and follow on the Facebook page, M0KNM Amateur Radio on Facebook page. I need to get to 100 followers to be able to start doing stream from onto there as well. So I don't like doing the begging stuff, but if you could just help me out with that, it'd be good. And thank you, everyone else. Thank you very much. And we'll see you on the next one. So Monday. Bye for now.